Hi, I'm Amy. Okay, so this video is about freedom. I just joined the Freedom Network and I'm not quite sure how it all works, but I thought I would introduce myself to my fellow friends and YouTubers at Freedom and on YouTube. I'm just learning everything, but what strikes me as interesting is that most of the network seems to be gamers and musicians. And I'm not a gamer, and I'm not a musician. It's hilarious because the games that I'm into are actually considered nerdy to other gamers. So, anyway, my favorite current game on my phone is Plants vs. Zombies. I know, kind of dorky, right? But the online game, this is my geek reveal, okay? So, the online game that I got really into is, oh, I'm so embarrassed to tell you this. It's Wizard 101. I think I'm a level 72 wizard. Anyway, I'm going to pull it up on the screen. It's been a while since I played. But yeah, it's kind of like online gaming for 10-year-olds. But, you know, hey, I loved it. Whatever. So there I am. This is my avatar. My name is Rosalind. I got kind of busy with life, so I haven't had a lot of time to play it. But I don't even think I remember how to play it, but I was really into it. I had really cool mounts and all kinds of fun stuff. Anyway, I'm a geek. When nerds think you're a geek, you might be a geek. But I do love my nerdy friends because nerds are smart and I learn things from them and they're interesting to talk to. So I'm new to Freedom and the whole world of gaming, and I'm not sure if I'll get into any other online games, but I could be persuaded. If you have a favorite game, leave a comment in the comment section below. I want to know what you play. Let me know what you play and why you love to play it and why I should maybe try it out. All right, thanks.